The federal shutdown has now become the second longest running federal government shutdown in the United States' entire history. And the impacts of this shutdown is coming down on business owners and government contractors. It's starting to show in a multitude of different ways. But for business owners, there's really one impact that is being overlooked by the media, and it's hurting them. It's hurting businesses and employees alike. And it's been happening since October 1st. October 1st was a date that the SBA's flagship lending programs, 7A and 504, were put on ice. What does this mean? Well, new approvals aren't moving forward. The scoreboard, what does it look like? Well, about 4,800 small businesses are stuck in the queue with roughly $2.5 billion in financing blocked. Every day, this continues. An estimated 320 businesses can't access around $170 million in SBA-backed loans. This is payroll. This is delayed equipment. This is equipment not purchased. These are leases not signed. This is momentum of an economy completely slowed. And here's the kicker. These loan programs are funded by lender fees, and operate at a zero subsidy. Let me say this again. The kicker is this. These SBA loans, specifically 7A and 504, they do not run on what is happening out in the shutdown today. They actually run on lender fees and operate at a zero subsidy, meaning no net cost to the taxpayers. So the freeze isn't saving money. It's stopping capital from reaching Main Street. And states, by the way, are feeling it as well. And some of the states that are feeling it the most during the shutdown, let's get into some. California, $127 million is not approved. Texas, $89 million is not approved. Florida, $77 million not approved. And if you want the entirety of the list, go to our page below. I'm going to link it on the bottom. So the freeze isn't saving money. It's just stopping capital from reaching Main Street. That's really what this comes down to. And this is about if you're in construction, if you're in manufacturing, if you're in professional services, or you're a government contractor, whether you're trying to scale up, pay your people, stay alive, get the new business, this hits especially close. But what does a stuck loan look like? It means hiring freezes. It means deferred expansions, lost bids because you can't finance inventory, people, or bonding. And yes, higher odds of dipping into expensive short-term credit, which is going to push you into bankruptcy. So call your lender today. That's one of the big things that you can do. Some banks may offer bridge solutions or re-underwrite for non-SBA products. They could resequence big purchases. You can tighten your cash forecast. You consider factoring, and you need to document shutdown-related delays for future negotiations so that you have a good mindset of what you did to get yourself through the past government shutdowns. And business groups, by the way, are pressing Congress for a short-term funding fix to reopen agencies. However, politics are not shaking out in that manner. And the likelihood is this economic pain is probably going to continue for a little bit more. But the economic math, on the other hand, is simple. Capital needs to flow for growth to grow. Let me say that again. Capital needs to flow for growth to grow. If this helped you, I'm going to drop some resources below. Feel free to click it. Make sure to comment because I'm going to be including the SBA state-by-state and small biz impact guide so that you understand if your state and how you're affected. If this video helped you, please subscribe, hit that like button, and share it with somebody who needs this information. Because guess what? We're all in the same boat together. If you got questions about financing plan B, comment them and we'll tackle the most common ones next. Remember, stay liquid, stay scrappy, and I'll see you in the next one.